that, I'm gonna go try on some of the dresses and we'll see which ones I like, because it's quite a lot. Okay, this could be a really crappy way of showing my dress, but this is the first prom dress. It's a dark green satin dress and also has a slit on the side. That's what the back looks like. Also come in many different colors. I really like this one. I feel like it complements my skin tone. Okay, here is the next one. You can wear this different ways. This is an off-the-shoulder one, but you could also bring it up. It looks like that, but I feel like this way is like more like ooh. Ooh. What I really like about their dresses is that they have like a little silicone strip on the top here, so my dress won't slide down easily, which is very nice because I want to wear the dress like this. This also comes in different colors as well. Here are the accessories that I got. So I have my silver heels. These are 2-inch heels. And then I'm gonna wear these. It's a earring, bracelet, and necklace little trio. So I have this ring. It's like a crown. Really pretty. Let's put this on my right hand. Got the heels on. Here is the next dress. I got it in red. Also a V-neck, but there's also some mesh material, so it won't reveal too much. It's short in the front, but long in the back. Here is the next dress. It's a navy blue color. It's a very open back. It has like an A-line scoop, so it's pretty simple. It has a long train. There's like a little slit right here as well. Okay, I don't think you guys are ready for this. This is so cute. Like, hello. It's the most poofiest dress I've ever worn. These gloves I actually bought on Amazon because I thought it would kind of fit the theme. This dress is a ball gown, princessy type of dress. I feel like a Disney princess right now. I am loving this. I just took off the lip plumper. And I think I'm gonna go in with this NYX Line Loud the pencil. This stuff will not budge, so I am hoping that it will stay on throughout the day. This is the NYX Butter Gloss and Praline. Tension so intense like an asteroid. Be discreet, gotta dodge at the tabloids. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little prom get ready with me. I hope I gave you some makeup ideas, hair ideas, dress ideas. Thank you again to JJ's House for sponsoring today's video and for gifting me all these beautiful prom dresses. I love each and every one of them. Very high quality dresses. They're all really pretty and they'll look good on everyone. They're also able to tailor your dresses as well, so you can just send them your measurements. So be sure to click the link in the description if you want to shop for your own prom dress for this prom season. So yeah, I'm gonna go take pictures now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!